Hi, my name is Giselle Ariano. I'm a sophomore in Techniques in Quantum Analysis, and we're going to do the digital pipetting today. So what I'm showing you right now is the pipette bulb, and there's three little buttons. There's an E, and there's an S, and there's an A at the top. So with that A, with the top little button, you squish it, and then you squish the middle to collapse the bulb so that you are able to draw up the liquid. So I'm just making sure that all the air is out. And so now I'm attaching my volumetric flask, and I'm going to be drawing 25 milliliters of liquid. And right now I'm just attaching the pipette bulb. I'm putting the container with a lot of blue liquid, and I'm going to go to that calibration mark. I don't know if you can see it, but I was pointing to the calibration mark of the volumetric pipette. So what I'm going to do is just going to put the pipette straight in the liquid, not drown it though. And I'm just drawing up, I'm pressing the S on the pipette bulb, and I'm drawing up the liquid. Takes time. Still drawing up the liquid. Almost done. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the liquid above the calibration mark, but not in the bulb. Almost. Okay. I think I've got it now. Past the calibration mark. And now I'm going to dry it before I take it out. And I'm checking if there's any bubbles. I'm trying to some way show you guys, show the camera. It was kind of hard because I do not want to drop any liquid. Here's my attempt to pick up my iPad to get a closer look. And as I drew it above the before, what I did was I filled it up to the more than the calibration point, but then I only dispensed a little, I ejected a little bit to get to the calibration point. And what I just did now is I took off my pipette bulb, and I'm letting it dispense freely by gravity. And what you're going to see is that there's going to be liquid left over in the bottom of the tip, and that is because that is the way that the pipette is calibrated. It is made like that. It will not affect your measurement. Hi guys, we're back, and we're doing part 2 of digital pipette badging. So I have the pipette bulb in my hand. There's 2 buttons on one side and one on the other, and the other has a little A on it. So you press down on the A, and then you press down on the middle of the bulb, and that collapses the pipette bulb, and it will help you draw up liquid from your beaker. And so now what we're going to do is, the graduated cylinder is 10 milliliters, and I want 6 milliliters, so I'm only going to dispense 6. So right now I'm putting the pipette bulb on my graduated pipette. Make sure that it's tight and secured. Okay, so now it's secure. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the liquid and transfer it to the other container, and there's an E and there's an S. So I'm going to press on the S, or no, the S was first and then the E. I'm going to press on the S to dispense the liquid forward inside the pipette. Right here, I'm just adjusting the bulb so it could be on the same side as the number so I could better see the amount that I'm pipetting. Okay, so now I'm ready, so I'm going to place my pipette inside the liquid and I'm going to just press that S until I get to 4. Since we want 6 and it's a 10 milliliter pipette, I'm going to dispense until 4. Because 10 minus 4 is 6. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to wipe it with the Kim wipe to make sure that it's clean. And I don't know if you guys can see in the zoom in, but that is at 4. And while I was pipetting, I made sure to go pipette before, like pipette more than what I should, and then eject until the point that I need to make sure that I have what I need. So as you can see, I filled it until 4 and I'm now going to dispense it. Right now I'm just taking off the pipette bulb in order to let the liquid drain by gravity. As you can see, there's a little bit of liquid left behind, and that is because it is calibrated this way. It will not affect your measurements here, and that I had 6, and that is it. Thank you for watching.